Welcome guys. In this particular video we'll be solving question 18 under exercise 1A chapter 1 of your new general mathematics for senior secondary schools book 1, and the question says 9a raised to the power minus 5 times 4a raised to the power 6. Now, as you well know, this particular series will be solving every single question in the exercises found in your new general mathematics for senior secondary schools book 1, book 2 and book 3, as well as your SSC and UTME past questions. Now, the idea in solving for SS1 to 3 questions is that we want the students to do this on their own first and then compare with what the teacher does in class. So let's go. Now this is question 18, and like I said, before you look at what we are doing for you at all, solve this question on your own first. Then you compare the solution you got with what we have supplied. That way you know if you're doing the right thing, you know if you've gotten the principles right. That way you know exactly where you stand, because if you just follow what we're doing, just copy our solutions, at the end of the day you might be doing yourself a lot of disservice, because you will not really get to understand what you're doing. You're just copying. So how do we solve this? First, we try and unbundle these variables. For instance, 9a, instead of just 9a, we now say 9 times a. So 9a raised to the power minus 5 becomes 9 times a raised to the power minus 5. And you see that the negative exponent does not affect both 9 and a. The negative exponent, which is minus 5, affects only a. Why? Because 9a is not in parentheses. So the negative exponent affects only a, and 9 is 9 raised to the power 1. So it's 9 times a raised to the power minus 5. The same thing, 4a raised to the power 6 becomes 4 times a raised to the power 6. So in solving this, we're going to apply the fourth law of indices, which says that x raised to the power minus a is equals to 1 divided by x raised to the power a. So the negative exponent becomes a positive exponent when it is divided by 1. So let's solve this. 9 times a raised to the power minus 5, it becomes 9 times 1 over a raised to the power 5. Like I said, the negative exponent becomes positive when this term gets divided by 1. So times 4 times a raised to the power 6. Now with this particular unbundling, you see that it becomes easy to group like integers. When I say like, I mean 9 is a whole number, so you can group it with 4, which is a whole number. While this term a is similar to this, so you can group 1 divided by a raised to the power 5 and this a raised to the power 6 together. So what we would now have something like this: 9 times 4 times a raised to the power minus 6, which is multiplied by 1 divided by a raised to the power 5, which is a raised to the power 6 divided by a raised to the power 5. So with that, we get 36 times a, and that will give us our answer, which is 36a. And that is as simple as it gets. And I believe if you've done this on your own, you'll see that you're already getting the principles right. So before you go, we want to remind you, subscribe to our channel. Each time you subscribe to our channel, you encourage us that indeed you are interested in this thing we're doing, and then we'll keep doing more. The more subscribers, the more we are spurred on to do more. So guys, go ahead and subscribe, and let's do more for you. Thank you, and have a great day.